an opportunity to cross-examine the officers or officer who is alleging what he saw that gave him pretext for the stop. And I addressed why I wasn't going to waive my right to speedy trial, because their delay in justice could be a due process violation as well. But we got through that, so let's just continue to move on. I think we saw the order of no incarceration, and I'll show you the docket page once we finish up with this portion of the action.
Whatever that Monday is.
Yeah. That's our next motion date to trial.
Yeah. Now you've got to file this timely.
I can file this today.
Okay.
Today's Thursday, right?
Today is Thursday. Whatever.
I can give it to you.
Okay. So
tonight.
as far as this, I'm going to reserve ruling because you filed it. It looks like in a separate document. Notice of constitutional challenge to the statute and motion intervened, and I'm going to try to give you a time.
May I have my copy back?
You're giving that to me because I have not.
One is already in. One is already in your.
I thought you were giving that to me.
Whatever. You have one that was received in room 107. You have yours.
And I believe this is it.
Right. No, it's the same thing. But because I had to certify one to the state attorney and certify one to the attorney general. So then I wouldn't have any luck.
Okay, that's fine. How much time do you think you need?
To be heard?
Yes.
Oh, we can next week.
No.
Oh, you mean probably an hour, 3 people, right?
We already have 2 hours and a half hours.
Okay, well, we're going to get it done.
Now, I need to also...
But you're going to do everything. Now,
Right.
after today, there's not going to be any issues that are not going to be heard by then. I'm not going to hear them. So if you have issues with
one thing, the challenge to the statute, I know you don't want to, but the thing is, if you read 3...
No, I didn't say I didn't want to. I'm not hearing anything after June 30th. So
okay, that's fine.
I'm just letting you know that that's going to be the date. If there's anything I'm going to hear relative to the case before trial on July 2nd, June 30th is the date that you're going to have that hearing, and then you have to get everything filed within a short period of time. You can't do it the day before. So what you want to do?
I have a couple witnesses also, so I need to give her...
Whatever you want to do, we'll have the hearing on Monday. What else do we have? I already have, 2 hours set?
We already have, about 2 hours.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set you for Monday, June 30th at 3 p.m. I'll try to be as close to 3 p.m. Well, I'm trying not to waste your time.
No,
I'm gonna try to be as close to 3 p.m. as I can, and then we'll go ahead and do it at that time. Can you have all the motions filed by Monday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, get them filed by Monday, June 23rd, okay? And obviously the original gets filed with the clerk, copy to the state, copy to me of any other motions or issues you want me to consider before trial, okay?
Okay, I'll raise the other issue. Okay, thank you. That's when we do it now.
All right, so we're gonna set it for June 30th at 1:30 p.m.
Said 3.
I'm sorry?
3.
I'm sorry, 3, I'm sorry? Yeah, I'm sorry, 3 p.m.
3 p.m.? Okay.
All right.
The defense has witnesses, and they also have a duty to disclose those to me.
I just have to go on the record. I need to give you a list of the witnesses.
Right, there you go. So do everything by Monday, and we'll go on.
And I'll provide you with evidence as
30th,
well.
okay?
Now, let me real quickly address the reason that I engaged with the state attorney this way. I won't say that she's incompetent totally and always, but for some reason she just didn't seem to have a lot of things together. And you're going to hear a little bit of that if you continue to listen to some of these my future videos. You watch the future videos. I believe it was the same state attorney, but you'll see that she was woefully ill prepared, and Judge Conrad is going to address her in the next proceeding as well. Some of that was her fault. Some of it, I think, was the fault of the officer who falsely arrested and imprisoned me in that case, which that's a much more interesting case. So let me finish this and close this out.
All right, anything else? Yes, sir. All right, Mr. Doss, thank you.
I appreciate the time.
Sure. All right, let's go one more. Who is it?
Okay, so now we have that out the way, and so the only thing we're going to have left is the conclusion video, which would be what came out of the what the court's final decision was. So that being said, instead of me doing that as a part of this video, I'm just going to close this video out. I'll do another video that goes only to the conclusion, the case being dismissed, and by then I'll actually get all these documents together so that way the video will flow a lot more smoothly, and we'll get out of here. It'll be a much shorter video. Again, as always, if you want to support the channel, the information is down at the bottom. You can go through Zelle, Cash App, of course, PayPal. Anything would be definitely appreciated. If you have any issues that you may want me to help, or you may want to discuss with me, and I can give you my experience based upon the number of the ones I've had. And when you check out the fourth video, you'll see I've had quite a few experiences. Just contact me using either gregdoss.com. You can call me at the phone numbers. One of my phone numbers is listed on that on the screen. And of course, you can always email me at gdnapsey@gmail.com.